Today we are cleaning our Middleby Marshall oven. Please check that the oven is cool and the power is disconnected. Wipe the outside of the energy eye and then the front of the oven with a soft cloth and mild detergent. Wipe the window inside and out with a soft cloth and mild detergent. Proceed to wash the touchscreen control as well. With the belt running, use a brush to clean any stuck-on material off. Doing this every day will make monthly cleaning much easier and maintain the life of the belt sprockets. Empty the crumb trays and wipe clean with a soft cloth and mild detergent. Clean in the pot sink or dishwasher if desired. Remove the fan filters from the back of the oven and rinse clean. These may be sent to the pot sink, or these may be sent through the dishwasher if desired. Each oven model will have slightly different finger and blank configuration. Remove the wing nuts and set aside. Remove the eyebrow and proceed to remove the end plug. Remove the blanks and fingers, numbering and slash or labeling with a marker as each is removed. Labeling the fingers and blanks as they are removed to ensure they are reassembled in the right order. Fingers are best cleaned with a metal-safe detergent at the pot sink or with a pressure washer if desired. Ensure all air holes are clean and free of debris. How to deep clean the chain and guard removal. 1. Loosen 2 set screws for chain guard. Do not remove. 2. Lift guard up and away to remove from chain assembly. 3. Lift entire belt frame and push forward into the oven, approximately 2 inches to provide slack in the chain A. Using the hips to bump and push is helpful. 4. Remove the chain from the belt frame assembly sprocket and set aside A. Hint: hang chain from the oven sprocket so it does not get lost. Now for the belt assembly removal. Removal of the belt assembly requires 2 people. Larger oven sizes may have 2 hinge points to make the belt easier to move. 1. Lift and push the belt frame assembly into the oven from the opposite side of the sprocket. 2. On the sprocket side, use 1 person on each side of the belt assembly. Lift and pull the assembly through the oven. At each hinge point, fold the belt assembly in order to make it easier to move. 3. Belt assembly can be cleaned using a hose and brush or pressure washer. Do not use caustic, alkali-based detergent. Up next, we have the lower finger removal. Remove the wing nuts and end plug and set aside. Next, remove the blanks and fingers, numbering and slash or labeling with a marker as each is removed. Fingers are best cleaned with a metal-safe detergent at the pot sink or with a pressure washer if desired. Ensure all air holes are clean and free of debris. After all fingers, blanks, and belt have been removed, clean the inner cavity with a soft cloth and mild detergent. We then proceed with the finger reassembly. Place the manifold vertically on the floor with the wide end down, using your foot to stabilize the finger. Place the inner plate, screen, inside the open side of the manifold. Lower finger, blank, and end plug reassembly. Reinstall base plate. Install blanks and fingers, ensuring to follow the sequence labeled when removed. Install fingers with holes facing up. Ensure fingers and blanks interlock. Install lower end plugs on each side of the oven with the indicator arrows facing up. Replace wing nuts, finger tight only. Installation of the belt assembly requires 2 people. 1. Lift the belt assembly and insert into the oven from the right side. The side of the assembly without the sprocket will go in first. 2. Continue to unfold the assembly and push the frame through the oven cavity until the entire belt assembly drops into place. 3. On the sprocket side, lift and push the belt assembly into the oven an additional 2 to 3 in order to reinstall the chain 4. Arrange the chain over both sprockets. 5. Replace the chain guard, tightening the screws to secure. Upper finger, Blank and end plug reassembly. Install blanks and fingers, ensuring to follow the sequence labeled when removed. Install fingers with holes facing down. Fingers and blanks will slide onto the track on the front and back of the oven. Ensure fingers and blanks interlock. Install upper end plugs on each side of the oven with the indicator arrows facing up. Install the outer eyebrow at the lowest adjustment hole setting that will allow the largest item to just pass underneath. Replace wing nuts, finger tight only. Replace cleaned and dry filter screens. Replace crumb trays.